Hey guys, this is day 4 of content or day 4 of YouTube. 4 days since I'll be posting on YouTube for the next 100 days. Please, apologies, I missed 2 days and I felt so bad about it. Anyway, so this is 4 days since I'll be posting on YouTube for 100 days, and today we are looking at rosemary spray and also coriander for hair growth. Yes, we'll be using this on our hair to moisturize our hair in this video. If you're new to the channel, my name is Lydia, and on here I share hair growth tips, DIY you can use on your hair, and a lot of things around hair. And I also share hairstyling shorts as well. If you are new to the channel, please do well to subscribe. So this is my hair, guys. The video before this one, that video, my hair was dry, but the feeling was different. This video, my hair is still dry, but the feeling is different. I don't know how to explain it. The video I posted earlier before this one, anytime I touched my hair, it felt like there was no life in it. Then I told you guys that I'll be deep conditioning it with banana hair mask. That's the video I have before this one, and I said I'll be moisturizing it. Guys, this video, my hair felt so good. Now let's moisturize it after the deep conditioning, and I'm using shea butter and our rosemary and coriander spray. Yes, this is how I'm going to be moisturizing my hair here on this page, so stay with me. Let's get started. So first of all, I use about 2 tablespoons of each of the herbs. So 2 tablespoons of rosemary and 2 tablespoons of coriander, and then I add about 20 ml of water, less than 100, not 20 ml, sorry, about 100 ml of water to the herbs, and then I let it steep for a while before taking it into my hair. Mind you, my hair was dry. When I say dry, I mean after doing the deep conditioning, I haven't done anything to the hair till today, so you can imagine the dryness I'm talking about. But then I needed to moisturize the hair. So this was how I just decided to get started. I used my shea butter. This is organic shea butter. I have not added anything to shea butter, so it's still very thick. I mean, very, very heavy. So the only thing I did was part the hair into sections and then moisturize it as it went on. Yes, this time when I was moisturizing my hair, I noticed that there were not much knots, because the other few times that I have trained my knots so many times. So this shows that the ends of my hair will be looking fuller in this video compared to other videos that I have done where the knots have not been trimmed. Yes, so guys, you will tell that I only use my fingers to detangle. I just love finger detangling. I mean, I love combs, but not as much as I love finger detangling. I was able to do without combs for a long while, so I am gotten used to using my hair. I mean, manipulating my hair without combs. So anytime I'm touching my hair, comb is the last thing that comes into mind to touch or to use. Yes, guys. So I finger detangle it gently like you see me do, and then I make sure I spray some of the herb tea onto the scalp and the hair strands like you see me do in this video. Gently finger detangle it bit by bit from the roots to the ends until I am sure that, okay, the knots are not as serious as they used to be. I mean, you can do it and then you notice that, okay, now your hair is properly detangled. When I finish, I just twist it back to how I want it to be. In this video, I needed to style it, so after that, I stretched it with my blow dryer, so that the hair is easy to style. Yes, so when I finished, now sorry, I'm so sorry. Now let's go into the importance of rosemary and coriander for hair growth. I'm sure this is what you've been waiting for. So now, what is rosemary? Rosemary is a spice. I'm sure you have some in your kitchen. Yes, because we use rosemary to cook and all that, so you probably have rosemary in your kitchen. It's a spice that can be used in cooking. It can also be used in hair products. According to some research done by students, it was confirmed that rosemary can grow the hair, but you need to be very consistent. It was compared with minoxidil. I'm sure you know minoxidil, and it was proven that rosemary can really help grow your hair, but consistency is very, very crucial. I mean, you cannot decide to use rosemary without being consistent. Yes, so consistency is very crucial if you are using rosemary to grow your hair. Rosemary can also nourish your scalp. Sometimes when you touch your scalp, it doesn't even feel like this is a skin. I don't know if you've had this experience. You don't feel like there's a skin on the scalp. It has happened to me a couple of times. But then after I deep condition my hair, if you're able to add certain herbs to your deep conditioner, kudos, because you are going to enjoy the full benefit of that herbs or that mask. Yes, it's able to bring your hair back to life. So rosemary strengthens the hair as well. When we talk about strengthening hair, when your hair is weak, as soon as you touch it, the least tension makes the hair break off or makes the hair plug off or shed from your scalp. Yes, so strengthening the hair is very, very, very important. Yes, when you strengthen your hair with herbs, you're able to enjoy the full benefit of your hair. Like, can you see how dense my hair is? I talk about coming back. I veered off some time ago with my hair care. Now I am back, guys. Accept me. So, yes, the benefits of rosemary are tremendous. If you want to use it on your hair, especially on your edges, use it as oil every blessed day. Make sure that the rosemary is well infused. If you want a proper infusion, do well to blend the rosemary into the oil. You can use extra virgin olive oil and castor oil together, blend it, and then use it on your scalp. That is my personal favorite if I need to recommend anything to anyone. Yes, now let's talk about coriander. Coriander looks like a new herb here on this page, because if I go to my page, if I've used rosemary on my hair for like 10 times, I've used coriander just once. Yes, but then let me tell you what coriander does. It is mighty but strong. I don't know how to, small but mighty. Yes, exactly. Coriander is certainly a very underrated herb, but it's so powerful, guys. Sometimes there are some things that they are very good, but maybe PR or marketing or branding is down, so you're not able to tell the full benefit of that product. Coriander is one of them. It's a very underrated herb. Coriander can able to stop or reduce hair fall. Yes, coriander can help you reduce your hair fall. It can also promote hair growth. It has vitamin C and vitamin K, which are very essential when it comes to hair care. Yes, so this is an underrated herb. This is the seed is what the dry seeds is what I use to infuse, but they have leaves you can use as well, guys. So this is my moisture routine where I use rosemary and coriander in a spray like you see me do, and then I apply them throughout my hair and scalp, and then include shea butter to add as a moisture. You don't just do this and then leave it like that. Your hair is going to dry out. And one last thing before I leave, coriander can help with itchy scalp and dandruff. Yes, if you have itchy scalp and dandruff, is something you should be using more often, either in your teas, in your mask, or anything you use to or apply on your hair, guys. So this is the end of day 4 of YouTube. I'll be ending here. Let me know what you think about this video, and please do well to leave any comments if you have any suggestion, anything you think I should try. I mean, it's a whole 100 days, so I need a lot of suggestions from you guys. Yeah, if this video is helpful, if this is the first time you watch the video and then you've learned something from this video, please do well to leave a like, and then so that it inspires me, it motivates me to keep going. Yes, I always keep going though, but I mean, your like means so much to me. Yes, I'll be ending here for today. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, as there are so many goodies in store for all of us. Like, did you see the results of my hair? I just love it. Bye.